If your Chevy Colorado dashboard is completely dark, don't panic. You're not alone. This is a common issue. Here's what you need to know. First, check the basics. Sometimes, a blown fuse is the culprit. Your instrument panel relies on a small fuse to power up. If it pops, the whole dashboard goes dark. Find your fuse box. It's usually under the dashboard or hood. Look for the instrument panel fuse, and replace it if needed. Next, consider the dimmer switch. Accidentally turning this knob all the way down makes your dashboard look dead. Adjust it and see if your lights come back. Still nothing. It could be a wiring problem. Loose or damaged wires behind the panel can cut off power. These issues may need a mechanic to fix safely. Finally, don't forget the instrument cluster itself. Sometimes the panel just fails. If you've checked fuses, switches, and wiring, the cluster might need to be replaced. So, before you worry, remember, start simple. Check the fuse and dimmer. If that doesn't work, talk to a pro. Stay safe, and keep your Chevy Colorado running right.